Hello everyone, my name is Parush and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can recover your deleted data from your iPhones, iPads or iPod Touch. All models are supported and all iOS versions are also supported. It supports the latest iOS version 13 also. So you can recover any kind of data from various formats from different devices very easily with just a single tool. You can recover formatted phones or recover data from jailbroken device, locked device and many more. And sometimes we just mess up with our phones or accidentally delete all our data and lost it during the software update or the hard reset of our device. So we recover all kind of data. So hit the like button, it's a very useful video. All links are in description, you can download from here. So without wasting time, let's get started. So for doing all this, you will need a tool called iMyFone Debug. It's a data recovery tool from imyphone.com. As you can see, it supported the latest iOS version 13 also. You can recover lost data, deleted data from the various kind of devices. All the iOS version is supported, so you can easily recover all the data. So the main highlighted points are it's directly recover data from your iTunes, iCloud backup or via Smart Recovery, and it supports the 18 and more files format including WhatsApp chat, Viber chat, WeChat, photos, videos, messages, contacts and many more. So you can recover any kind of data from this tool. So if you are not a techie person, so this tool is for you. You can easily recover all kind of data just in some click. So you can visit this website for more. And the best feature of this tool which I like the most is that it recovers via Smart Recovery in the various kind of scenarios, like if you accidentally delete your data or if you have brick device or a broken screen phone, so you can recover the data in that case also. Or it supports the locked disabled devices, lost iPhone, virus attack, factory reset, iOS upgrade, water damage and many more. So it's a professional tool for all the possible ways to recover the data from your devices. So after downloading the tool from the description link, you need to just install now, and after that it will automatically install in your system. So it will not take too much time to install. After the complete installation, you will see iMyFone Debug. So just click on start now. So here is a tool from iMyFone Debug. It has so many features, so we will see all the options step by step, and we will also perform a data recovery from the formatted iPhone. Okay, so now first I will connect my device. So let me connect it. Now my phone is connected, and if iTunes is running in the background, just close it so that it will not interrupt at the time of data recovery process. Okay, so now you will see 5 options in the left side panel. First is the Smart Recovery, and the second one is recover from iDevices, and the third one is recover from the iTunes backup, and the fourth one is recover from the iCloud backup, and the fifth one is fix iOS system. So now I will tell you the difference between all these options so that it will help you to choose the right option for your device. So the first option is Smart Recovery. This option helps you to choose the different situation in which you lost your device data. As I told you earlier, it supports various kind of scenarios, so this option helps you in that case. If you are a beginner, not a techie person, you can go with the Smart Recovery, it will help you. And the second option is recover from iOS devices. It's a deep scan mode, or we can say it's an advanced mode which doesn't require any kind of data backups for recovering the data. In this, it will scan the whole device for recovering the data from the data sector. Generally, when we delete something, it will delete from the available storage, but still the data is in somewhere in the device called the data sectors, which in the memory location. You cannot access that data directly, but with this tool you can get all the deleted data from the different data sectors and helps you to recover your lost data from your device. So here you will see various kind of files format in which you can recover your data. It supports more than 18 files format. You can recover all your images, call histories, contacts, WhatsApp chats, WeChats, Viber chats, photos, videos, voice notes, recordings, even Safari browser history. And this tool also allows user to select the particular option to recover the data. If the user want only particular data to recover, you can also do that, or you can select all options from the above to recover all your data. And here you can see the full list of supported device. It supports all the latest model, even the older model also. It supports the iPhone 11 series and all the iPad models and the iPod Touch models. And you can also see the old model like iPhone 4, iPhone 4s, it also supports that. So it's a great thing that it covers all the iPhone models and all iOS version is supported. And the third option is recover from iTunes backup. If you already created a backup of your data from iTunes, you can extract all the backup data into your device directly. And the fourth one is recover from the iCloud backup. If you already made a iCloud backup of your data, you can recover from all your iCloud backup data to your PC, and it requires a Apple ID of your account, so it's a safe. You can use that and recover all your iCloud account data into your PC. And at the last, you will get a bonus feature on this tool to fix the iOS system related issue. Like if your device having any issues, you can easily fix with this tool, like stuck on Apple logo, boot loop issues, recovery stuck, and many more. So it has advanced and the standard mode, so you can check out for more. So now I will choose the smart recover option to recover my data because I have accidentally deleted my data, so I will choose that. So you can choose according to that. Now it will detect my device automatically. So as you can see, I have a 5S model, so it will detect. So after that, I will choose the format in which I want to recover the data. So I want all things, so I will select all option and then click on start. So it will now start the recovering data process. So it will take time according to your data. So if you have a larger data, so it will take more time. If you have less data, it will take according to that. So now the recovering data process is completed. Now it's analyzing the data so that it will finalize the data according to the different file types. So now the process is completed and it has recovered all the deleted data according to the file types. Here is the recovered chats, messages and other contacts, WhatsApp deleted chats, WhatsApp contacts and many more. So you can see according to the file type. It also recovers my contacts and my photos, videos, audio files, calendars, notes, Safari history. So it actually recovers all my things that I have accidentally deleted. So it's a good thing. It's a very good tool to recover all the data. I have get my all data back. Now I will show you how to get all this data to your PC, then to your mobile. So after that, you have to select all the data. If you want to select specific data, you can do also. So you can select all the data. After that, you will see the file format. So this is only for the contacts and the chats. So you can get all the contact chats in the XML or the HTML format, and other images and photos are in the original format. Now you have to select the location in which you want to save all your recovered data. So I will create a folder on the desktop so that it will recover all the data into that folder. Now just select that folder. After that, it will copying all the recovered file into that folder. So as you can see, it's copying all the recovered file to that folder. Now the file recovery process is completed. After that, just go to the recovered folder and you will see iMyFone debug folder, in which you will get all the folder according to the different file types. As you can see, it recovers all my photos and the videos. So you can see according to the folder. And it also recovered the contacts, so it will open in the HTML or XML format you have saved. So just open in the browser and you will see your WhatsApp chat history and the contacts and the other things you have saved. So you can open it in any browser and you can see the contact option also. So as you can see, all the content option is in the table format. So this is how you can recover your lost and deleted data from any kind of device like iPad, iPhones, iPod Touch from the iMyFone debug data recovery tool. So you can first download the free trial version of this tool and then you can purchase the license for it. This tool gives you more advanced option and the more direct access to the data recovery with a different kind of process, with that not available in the normal iTunes and the iCloud recovery. You can try this tool. It's a good tool. You can check out the license version and the other prices of this tool. And for the additional 20% discount, just copy the coupon displayed on the screen and you will get the 20% more off. So that's all for iMyFone debug data recovery tool. So if you like this video, just hit the like button. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon for more updates. Till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.